The little portion of the 25%. Oh, man.
25% is probably that's more.
But you get in a portion of it. And then they'll pay you back.
They're writing it down. Like, oh, if I get 21 though. And after the house is paid, all the story.
Alright, come on.
Getting headlines.
Sure, buddy. Oh, yeah? Cool. It's not really that very much. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. One of the three. Emma. They won the green. Emma. Emma, that's my cousin. That's my cousin. I asked for Emma's over. Yeah, I think they did. Yeah, it's Emma's house. Speak loudly, kids. Awesome! It looks like a form up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to score 3
Have a good one. Yeah, man.
See you later.
See you guys. See ya.
Yeah, but I have to go home to sleep.
Dust in the furniture or something. He can't.
We're
right over there.
Thank goodness.
I bet you can.
You think? Yeah.
Through his earmuffs.
And
I'm not that loud.
Take somewhere long to
Oh, nice hit there.
You gotta figure out now.
You have to get. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.